Hello. Th I'm gonna show you guys how to make a TNT cannon and a TNT thing that shoots you high up in the sky. Let's get started. First I'll show you the TNT cannon. You don't need to use stone, you could use any block. Put TNT everywhere except the source block of the water. Put TNT there, over there, over there, like that, and then like that. And it killed that pig and made a huge explosion. Ooh, and there was some bacon. Oh, I can't eat it. Urgh. Yeah. Spawn piggies everywhere. Spawn piggy. Okay, back to what I was showing you guys. So that's the TNT cannon, and this will be the thing that shoots you high up in the sky. You hold down till you hit stone, and then put TNT like this. And put it there, and break these blocks. Like there. Ba-bam, ba-bam, ba-bam. Pa-pow, pa-pow, pa-pow. This will make a big explosion, so don't make it around your house if you want to do this. See that explosion? You wouldn't want to be making that in your house. And maybe if you do this, maybe it would work. I don't know. Try something. Okay. See if this works. You can make this as deep as you want it. And break that one. That one. Oh, jump. That. Not as high, but it doesn't destroy that. Looks like it destroys a little down there. Now I'm gonna show you a different thing. And you go anvil. You get an anvil. Any building blocks. All the way up. Dun, 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 na 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 na. Get that. Spawn bunch of piggy lookies. Pig. Spawn pigs. You might know what I'm doing, but it's kind of cruel to animals of all nature. But I'm sorry. Look at all that bacon. Look at all that. A stack and 15 bacon. So there's to do stuff.